guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tamara here with another video, guys. So if you're new, welcome to the family, and if you're not yet subscribed, guys, please go ahead and do so. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, please go. It takes only 2 seconds. Okay, thank you. Just go down and click that subscribe button before you guys even go any further in this video. Okay. So I take out my braids and I'm not ready to relax my hair as yet. I'm gonna get a sew-in, so I'm gonna show you guys my process that I do before I get my sew-ins. Okay, so first I'm going to touch up my edges with some relaxer, like relax the front of my hair, the part that I want to leave out, that I do my leave out, that's what you call it, right? The leave out. So I'm gonna relax around here, and I may want like a center part, so I'm gonna like take out a section at the front and relax that too, and treat my hair with ingredients in my kitchen, and wash my hair, then moisture treat my hair and all that. So stay tuned. For some reason my left eye jumping. Why? I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? This is jumping, yo. Look at that. Why? I don't know. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair now. I have a lot of new growth, guys. I don't know if y'all can see this, but all this that you see in here is new growth. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but like, I'll be having a lot of new growth. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. That's new growth right there. I'm going to leave out this much. Yeah. So I'm going to relax here, here, and here, and then leave here. Okay, guys, so here I have my relaxer. Yes, so, and I have my tail comb. Apply the relaxer all over the part that I want to be relaxed, and I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse this out because I don't like my hair to be bone straight relaxed. As you guys can see, there's a lot of texture in my hair and I want it to remain that way. So I'm going to wash this out very soon. It's my neutralizing shampoo. Guys, now that I relaxed the front of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and make my protein treatment. I'm going to use a pear, well, in Jamaica, pear, somewhere else, avocado. course, my favorite oils. Guys, I love using homemade protein treatment because for some reason my hair feels way stronger when I use them. So I tend to use it, but it's a little messy, but I don't mind. So I'm just like blend everything in my blender. Really thick. Maybe I need some more oils. Oh, this is really thick. Well, I don't want it to be too runny either, so maybe that's good. Really thick. Make sure it's really blended. So do it again. This is a lot, but I have a lot of hair, so I'm just gonna put this right here. Okay guys, sorry about that. My phone ran out of space. Can you believe it? Like, Jesus Christ, I'll be having space issues all the time. But anyway guys, after I apply the protein treatment, I put the shower cap on, and then I put this shower cap on to lock in the heat because I want to get as much heat as possible. Y'all know I don't have any woody dryer, so I have to go the natural way, which is the best way. So anyway guys, I'm gonna keep this on my hair for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours the most, and then I'm gonna wash this out. But I'm not gonna show you guys how I wash it out when I'm shampooing my hair because I have a video already how I shampoo my hair, which I'm gonna put the link below. You guys can go ahead and check that out. But yeah, so after 1 hour I'll be washing this out, and then I'll be applying my moisturizing treatment. So guys, stay tuned for that. And guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I am on the way to 1,000 subscribers. So yes guys, I'm at 5,000. I wish. I'm at 569 subscribers, and I'm hoping to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of September or before. So guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let's address this. I do not do this treatment all the time. I do it whenever I feel like my hair need an extra protein treatment, because I think this homemade protein treatment is way more effective than the ones that we buy in the store. I just feel like when you use your natural ingredients at home and make your protein treatment, it makes my hair feel way stronger. So, but I don't do it that often because it's really messy and it's time consuming and all of that, but it's worth it. Trust me guys, you should definitely. My hair may need some extra love after all that it was in braids. Now I'm going to put it in sew-in. It was in braids for a month. Then I'm going to put it in sew-in for a month. It needs some extra love, so I have to do the extra things to get it all nice. So whenever I pull up my sew-in, my hair is not damaged and brittle and weak and dry and this and that. I'm gonna use the shampoo to wash my hair first. I'm gonna go in with this one. I'll put a link below of all these products I'm using. Then I'm gonna go in with my Cream of Nature. Then I'm gonna go in with my Dark and Lovely. This is really moisturizing shampoo, so I'm gonna definitely use this to get some moisture. Guys, so I wash out the protein treatment of my hair and I put some conditioner in my hair also. So I use these two, the Pantene and the 3 Miracle Moist conditioner in my hair. I just use those to like get a little extra moisture in my hair. This is my deep conditioner. I'm gonna use my Care deep conditioner. I'm gonna use this right now. Guys, I don't know, like I'm telling y'all, I don't know if you guys, I wish you guys can see and feel how strong my hair feels. I don't think this lighting doing me any justice. Like guys, my hair feels so strong. Like my hair really needed this protein treatment. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my treatment in. Guys, ensure that you use, after doing this protein treatment, ensure that you use as much moisturizing conditioner as possible, because this thing actually like make your hair so hard. The protein treatment makes your hair so hard, because remember, it's like protein treatment straightening your hair, so you need as much moisture. You have to follow up with a really good moisturizing treatment. So after I wash my hair, I use moisturizing shampoo also. First I use like a really harsh shampoo to take out all that oil and egg and all of that out of my hair. And then I follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, and then I use condition, and then I'm using my deep conditioner now. So make sure you put back all those moisture in your hair. Okay, I'm using a lot of deep conditioner because I have a lot of hair. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about an hour to hour and a half. I always miss that part out. Hour and a half, and then I'm going to wash this baby out, and after that, just gonna let my hair dry. And tomorrow I'm gonna get my sew in. Okay, so my hair is well treated, well ready. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I put in my favorite moisturizing oil in my hair. Y'all know this already. Yeah. So the last step is, my hair is dry. I would say maybe 95% dry, but it's pretty late now and I want to go to bed soon. Well, I need to go edit a video. Guys, I'm going to use my Organic oil to oil my scalp, and then that's it. So I always try to make sure that my scalp is oil before I put my sew in, and I'm sure the hairdresser doesn't want to be bothered, so I'm going to do it myself. That's what I'm going to use. This is actually really minty, and I think it actually gives hair growth. I think so. I've been using it for a while, but I just don't use it often. So I'm just going to part my hair in sections and oil the scalp.